10 lines on autumn season. Autumn comes after the rainy season and brings a calm beauty to nature. The sky looks high, clear and blue with soft white clouds. Trees slowly shed their old leaves and the ground shines with golden colors. A cool and gentle breeze makes the air fresh and pleasant. Farmers feel happy because their crops are ready for harvest. Autumn is also called the season of joy and festivals. Durga Puja and many other celebrations bring smiles to people. The nights grow longer and the stars look brighter in the clear sky. Children love to play outside in the cool weather. Autumn fills our hearts with peace, happiness, and hope.